Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Nissan Sentra cabin air filter. This is an easy maintenance task you can do yourself in about 10 to 15 minutes. First, open your glove box and remove everything inside. Then, gently detach the dampener arm on the right side. Next, press inward on the two tabs located on the sides of the glove box to release it completely. This will give you access to the filter housing. Once the glove box is out of the way, you will see the rectangular cabin air filter housing. It usually has two clips holding its cover in place. Gently unclip these two retaining clips, one on each side, to release the cover. After the cover is off, you can carefully pull out the old, dirty cabin air filter. Notice the direction of the airflow arrow on the old filter for proper installation of the new one. Before inserting your new cabin air filter, pay close attention to the airflow arrow printed on its side. This arrow indicates the direction air should flow through the filter. Make sure the arrow points in the correct direction, typically downwards, as you slide the new filter into the housing. Ensure it sits snugly and completely within the designated slot. A proper fit is crucial for effective filtration. With the new filter in place, reattach the filter housing cover, ensuring both retaining clips snap firmly into position. Next, align the glove box and push it back into its original position, making sure the side tabs engage. Don't forget to reattach the dampener arm on the right side. Finally, close and open the glove box a few times to confirm it operates smoothly and latches securely. You're all done.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.